Good morning, folks. This is Captain Dave Perros for Salty Cape. We're here in Hyannis at the hospital boat ramp in Hyannis Harbor. Obviously, leaving Hyannis Harbor, you have good access to some of the best bottom fishing around the Cape and Islands. Lots of tautog, sea bass, scup fishing. You have access to striped bass. Again, this is a good shot to Monomoy. A lot of boats that fish out of here. I think almost all of the charter fleet that I know of that leaves Hyannis Harbor, where they take the vast majority of their striped bass trips, is down in the rips off of Monomoy. This is the only boat ramp that I know of that empties into Hyannis Harbor, Lewis Bay. It is not a large boat ramp. It is in really good shape. They've redone it recently. Really nice float system. It is not tidal dependent. However, it is very steep and you have to be pretty careful. You definitely want to block your tires. Very limited parking. There are just a few, probably maybe 5 or 6 spots for vehicles with trailers attached. I don't think that it's really necessarily heavily used because not many people really know about it. But if you're looking to launch a boat and just kind of putt around Hyannis Harbor or even go out of the harbor into the Sound, this is one of the boat ramps that you're going to be able to use. As I said, not necessarily heavily used, but pretty easily accessible. Obviously, in season, summertime, probably a boat ramp you're going to probably want to stay away from just simply because of parking difficulty and the amount of traffic. Anybody who trails a boat on Cape Cod knows that in the summertime, you have a lot of tourism and a lot of people really don't pay attention to boats on trailers, so it can get a little bit dicey. Obviously, in this location, you're real close to Main Street in Hyannis. Lots of activities, lots of restaurants here in Hyannis Harbor. Plenty of gas stations. There is gasoline, obviously, available in Hyannis Harbor. So there are certainly amenities. Take into consideration that during the summertime, in the high season, it can be a little bit crazy in Hyannis. Okay, obviously, this ramp puts you in easy access to Main Street in Hyannis, where of course you can get gas, and there are shopping centers in the area, so there's plenty to do if you access this ramp. Plenty of activities, lots of restaurants. I mean, you're right in downtown Hyannis.